Uh, sorry, that's my dad in the background. Hey guys, this is my fourth, I think, video of my birds. The yellow one is Dandelion, and I'm gonna go get Blue. Oh, there's Blue. Oh, Blue, what you doing? What you doing, buddy? Sorry. A couple of weeks ago, Blue looked a bit fat. Now he just looks cuter. So this is our bird's food. It's just hanging there in the corner. And our bird's water's over here. Sorry about that area. Our birds might have had diarrhea. We don't know. But that's our bird's mirror. It's just getting foggy. Anyway, Blue. I don't want people to see your butt, okay, Blue? I don't want people to see your butt. Okay, that's better. Blue! Okay, guys. Blue's a girl. Yes, that's right. That's right, buddy. And Dandelion's a boy. Okay, I guess no chirps for that. Dandelion. Dandelion. Oh my gosh. Dandelion. You don't feel like chirping, do you? Oh, I think that was Blue. Oh. Can't tell the difference between Blue's chirps and Dandelion's chirps. Boys are blue noses.
Yeah, I used to move forward.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Okay, sorry guys. That was my dad. Now this is, and girls have like a purplish nose. So it's my bird cage too. Sorry guys, it's nighttime right now. And our bird's toys are kind of big. I don't think Dandelion really likes it. Just that one time, our birdies hopped on this stick, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's the first time you've ever done that. That was only a couple weeks ago. Plus, does anyone know why Blue got so cute? I hope I get as many comments as I can on this one. Well, bye guys. See you in my next video.